So now I've drawn the straight here, the middle part, and then I just decided 10 centimeter to left, 10 centimeter to right. So this is 20 centimeter long, and to find where it's 20 centimeters here on the top, I actually just turn this until I have 20 centimeters and hit the middle line here. So I do like this. Great, and the same from here. So there we have 20. Great, so this is our triangle. And now to find the middle part, we can measure this actually. So this part is 20 and the middle is 10. Great. And here the same. This is 20 and here is 10. And here's 10. Okay. So we just draw a line here. Boop, and here. And here. So this is the middle part. Here. So great. And now this is actually not we're actually gonna divide this once more, because we're gonna have a second triangle in the middle here.